So for this we need your Arduino, your breadboard, your distance sensor and your motor. First we're going to provide power to your sensor and your motor. So we hook up 5 volt to the positive part of the breadboard. I'm going to put the blue wire into the ground and hook it up to the negative part. The next thing we're going to do is hook up our distance sensor. This will be confusing because there's 4 wires and they might be a bit twisted, but just make sure each wire is going towards the right thing. So my brown wire is connected to ground, which we know is negative, so that's going to go in the blue section here. The next part is the VCC, and that on my one is a red wire, and that of course means positive, so I'm going to put that in positive. Just think of VCC like voltage. Voltage is power. Alright, now the orange is connected to the trig and the yellow is connected to the echo. We're going to connect these up to the analog pins. This will just be adjusted in our code, but we're going to put them in A1 and A0. Now we have our motor. You'll notice that the motor doesn't actually give you any signs of what anything means, but if you look at it, we can pretty much assume the red wire is positive, the brown wire is negative, and the orange wire doesn't really remind us of anything, so that's probably meant to go into the pin. So let's take the orange wire and we're going to put that into pin number 9, which is what we've reflected in our code. Now, as I said before, we've got a negative and a positive, so just as you thought, we're going to put that into the positive part